here we are. We're ready to drop the new motor in there. Look at that header. Nice. Hey, Troy.
Yep.
Do we got the header on the right motor?
We sure do.
This is the right motor, right?
Sure do.
God, I hope so. Yeah, it is. Cool. All right. This is the new motor, and we're putting it in. Did we tag everything?
No.
Didn't tag nothing?
No.
We don't need to, right?
Don't need to.
Okay. Good. Then here we go. I'll fill you in on it later. But yeah, this is going to be awesome. Talk to you later. Leave a like, subscribe.